NUKK Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end, find out. So Nukkleus stock is sitting at $37.70, 5.8% decrease in price. And that's just Friday though. Like if I look at it from a weekly perspective, you will see that, yeah, this week was 5% down, but it's nothing compared to us previously going up 2,700%. It's even crazier when you say it, you know, it's crazy numbers. And the way that I'm observing NUKK is I obviously am still looking to double down on this bullish market. Obviously, like I'm putting it up like to the price section to kind of decide, because there's two ways that this thing can go, at least for me. This is my own opinion. And again, I'm just sticking to something that I've refined for 33,000 videos. But if the price pulls down and breaks these lows first, then this is not going to be what I'm going to play. If it breaks the highs first without breaking the lows first, then obviously I'm looking to long, as though as there's a second break. So I'll keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.